anybody else from Lancaster that wants to go to the biggest fracking rally ever in Trenton, New Jersey. So both of those are fracking events, so if you care about the environment or want to learn or anything, or know anybody, talk to me, or Holly is also moving with that.
What time are those at?
I don't know what time I'm leaving on Friday, to be honest. Probably early.
Really the Monday one. Well,
and the Monday one, I think we need to leave probably like at 7 in the morning or something.
So any other working group announcements? I have an announcement from Structure. Tomorrow, we will be finished with our proposal. We are going to bring it to general discussion. We're going to talk it over for the last time, and then on Wednesday it will be up for vote. So if you want to know, and tomorrow's the time to we want to hash out any friendly amendments and concerns and blocks before we take it to General Assembly. That's why we're bringing it to general discussion tomorrow. So we'll have papers for everybody to take, and it will be the whole proposal. So just if you want to be 6 o'clock, we'll be here. We'll have the proposal set up, and we're trying to put it online maybe. So if people are not going to be here, they can still see the proposal beforehand, because we don't want any blocks, and we want amendments beforehand. That's all the announcements I have. Any other working group announcements before we move on to general announcements?
For peacekeeping tonight, if anybody will be around from 3 to 7, that's not covered actually for the next 3 days. So if you could do any of those days, please just come find me afterwards.
Wait, which shift?
3 to 7.
Okay, I think all the working group announcements are finished. So now we're on to general announcements. Anybody have anything? General announcements?
Let's tell people about the march on Thursday.
Do we have a Facebook event set up?
Yes.
So if anybody has Facebook and is using it, can you post that onto your Facebook so your friends can see it and spread it out that way? That's a really good way to get a lot of people there. Anything else? Any other general announcements?
There's a sign over there, a whiteboard. It says plug in. It's just a list of ways that we can plug in. At meetings, any meetings that I'm not going to be facilitating, I'll be writing down any tasks I hear in anything that people say that is stuff that needs to get done, and anyone can add to that list. On the one side, it's ongoing things like picking up trash, and then the other, it's like once and done things that you should erase once you're done. So that's just that will help me, because I often feel like I don't know what to do. So please put things on there that need to be done.
I forgot to say this, but matter of fact, Wilson, I think the papers I gave to you wrote down the website, the Occupy Philly website. On the Occupy Philly website, they do have contacts of people who you want to get in touch with or ask questions. So they have a lot of contacts on that page. I forgot to tell you that yesterday. So.
Anything else?
Yeah, I want to talk about some things in the groups that have been happening. The punishment of people about different things that they've done and haven't done. I think, as far as me, instead of me guessing, I would like to have some way of us knowing what's going on with this situation.
Can you speak up just a little bit?
Can you stand up?
I wanted to vote on it. I didn't know what I was supposed to do.
Okay. Yeah. And we talked about it in general discussion, and camp meeting tomorrow. There's going to be a proposal set up for how we reintroduce people who have been kicked out, because we don't have that in our structure at this point to actually reintroduce people. We voted on the rules, but we didn't vote on any way of bringing them back in once they were kicked out. So we're working on that. The camp logistics meeting in the morning, you guys can talk about that again. Sarah is going to be working with somebody to get that proposal to the General Assembly as soon as possible, and so So we are working on it, definitely. That's all. Our General Assembly is done today.
I have a question. Who has access to the email account? Like, I just wondered, like, in case I could be one more person that can sign in and check the email and just, like, I don't know, like, just
You can get a hold of Rachel.
Rachel.
She's the one that's
Okay.
so get a hold of her and she can put you on. That'd be good. Is that all? All right, General Assembly is finished. Thanks, guys.
Yay!
That was a nice, quick and easy.
That's how it should be.
That's how there's gonna be with construction. Only 4